What's the meaning of clavichord? Clavichord. Clavichord.
Clavichord. Clavichord. A clavichord is a musical instrument that was popular in the Baroque era. It is a small, keyboard-based instrument that creates sound by striking metal strings with small brass blades called tangents. The unique feature of the clavichord is that the player can control the volume and expression of each note by varying the pressure applied to the keys. Clavichords are not commonly used in modern music, but they are sometimes used for historical performances of Baroque music.